As Amber's been telling us, much of Southern California is under a high wind advisory. KCAL News reporter Amanda Starrantino is live in Sherman Oaks, where there is powerful evidence of those high winds. Amanda.
I mean, you can just see it in my hair blowing right now. The wind is starting to pick up again this morning. This is on Noble Avenue near where Sepulveda and Ventura intersect. And you can see this massive tree that came down in front of a house overnight that's blocking most of Noble Avenue. There is about one car length left over here. My photographer is actually having a hard time just walking through this area because there are so many branches down. But you can see this tree completely covering the sidewalk here. And on the other side, you can just see that root system that completely came out of the ground because that ground is so saturated right now because of all that rain we've had. And add those strong winds, you're going to see a lot of this. And as Amber Lee has told us, we know this area in the San Fernando Valley saw wind speeds from 35 to 40 miles per hour, and it's still under a wind advisory. All right, I want you to take a look at some video overnight out of Encino now, where you can see the impact of those gusty winds as well. LAFD on scene around 11 p.m. last night when the wind tore down power lines there. This is on Oxnard Street near the intersection of Encino Avenue. Our KCAL team checked, and we didn't see any active outages in that area because of that downed wire. All right, but take a look at this video now earlier this morning of the tree I was just showing you in Sherman Oaks. The San Fernando Valley still under a wind advisory, along with many parts of our region, ranging from this wind advisory from Santa Barbara, Santa Clarita, Ventura County, San Gabriel Mountains, and even Santa Monica Mountains areas. So with the rain we have gotten this past week, it makes for issues like this with these trees coming down. And we do know in Sherman Oaks, there is one outage with 217 customers without power. And over in Mission Hills as well, we're getting reports of another outage of almost 900 customers without power. So that's just something definitely to be prepared for as this wind advisory will persist throughout the day. You can see it's been pretty breezy here. And, you know, when you're driving around this morning as the sun comes up, and if you're driving before the sun comes up, be prepared to see a lot of this in the roads. This is just a small one from what we're seeing, and obviously it's because this tree was down, but you could tell this morning when we were driving, the streets are a little messy because of the wind that we had overnight. And it's also a good reminder that if you're driving in a high profile vehicle, to be prepared, drive a little more safely. Also, if you're going to be driving next to any of those trucks as well. And also if you have patio furniture outside, maybe some trash bins. I know my trash bins in front of my house this morning were knocked over. So just make sure those are stable and secure for the next about 24 hours, just to be extra cautious with this wind we have. And then also just be prepared if this is something that is in your front yard, your backyard, keep those areas clear and maybe do another check on your trees as well. Live in Sherman Oaks, Amanda Starrantino, KCAL News.
All right, thank you so much, Amanda.